Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video to this, or just a little while ago, a couple hours ago, about a problem with text to path, and I set up a hotkey, but it was putting the path on the bottom. So if you haven't watched that video, you might want to watch that. But somebody did chime in and ask me a question if this would do it, and it does do it. So take your shape tool and click on your path and go right here to reverse direction of the path. And now I see it because the arrows are going right to left, and now they're going left to right. And that's all it took. So now it's going to put it on the right side of the curve. So I thank that viewer or subscriber for chiming in. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.